Brad Williams, Frugal Finance, don't lose interest, managing cash in your brokerage account. We're all guilty of this. We have a brokerage account. We have a sweep account that we think we're earning some interest on, and actually we're being taken to the cleaners. In this era, you have to take an extra step, and you actually physically have to take your cash and put it into a money market account. So that's an extra step that you have to take that these large brokerage firms know is an inconvenience to you, and subsequently you overlook it and they reap the benefits. So you probably wouldn't dream of leaving piles of cash lying around your home. But many investors end up doing this with cash in their brokerage accounts. Uninvested cash is a potential valuable part of your investment portfolio. So it pays to pay attention to it, especially when interest rates move up or down. You should know the facts about your uninvested cash, the different cash management programs available, and questions to ask. What is cash management program? When you open a brokerage account, a firm typically asks you to select a cash management program for uninvested cash in your account. You may have cash that's not invested because you deposited money in your account, you received a cash dividend or interest, or you sold one or more of your investments. A cash management program ensures that your uninvested cash is available to you when you're ready to invest it or use it for something else, like paying bills. Some cash management programs let you pay your expenses directly or provide you with a debit card and check writing. These funds can accumulate slowly, so you might not initially notice, but what happens to the cash in your account when you're not using it? Options for managing your cash? Typical options for your uninvested cash include having it in your brokerage account, sweeping, automatically transferring it to a bank deposit account as part of a bank sweep program, or sweeping it to a money market fund as part of a money market sweep program. Many full-service brokerage firms offer only a bank sweep program, which can pay far less interest than a money market mutual fund account. Bank sweep programs do provide FDIC insurance up to $250,000 limit per customer. Uninvested cash left in your brokerage account is known as free credit balance. Firms may or may not pay you interest on your free credit balance. In a sweep program, a firm sweeps your uninvested cash each day from your brokerage account into a deposit account at a bank or a money market mutual fund. Firms typically pay you interest on your cash that's part of a sweep program. Note that you can always move your uninvested cash in search of higher interest rates. That's true even if you've been automatically enrolled in your firm's default cash management program. Just because you're currently in your firm's default option doesn't mean you can't explore other alternatives. Exploring other options can make sense because interest rates can vary widely depending on the particular cash management program or firm. Interest rates for money market funds, bank sweep programs, and free credit balance sometimes are nearly the same. Other times, particularly in high interest rate environment, the difference between their interest rates can be as much as 5%. You can also decide to invest your cash in securities or withdraw the available funds to invest elsewhere or use for other purposes. Researching the opportunities available will help you make an informed decision. Understanding your uninvested cash? When evaluating what to do with your uninvested cash, consider the following. How much uninvested cash is in my brokerage account? What cash management program am I in? What other alternatives are available to me? Which alternatives offer the highest interest rate? Is FDIC insurance important to me? To find the answers to most of these questions, check your brokerage account agreement or account statement to see which program you're in and how much uninvested cash you have. Or discuss your uninvested cash and your options with your registered financial professional. Also, consider these funds in the context of your overall financial planning. Do you need the cash in the short term, or could you use it to support your long-term goals? Many investors think of cash management programs as short-term resting places, but their uninvested cash often ends up staying there for longer than planned. Make sure your cash is in the best place for you, whether that means maximizing your interest rate or other considerations. Comment if you thought you were earning a high money market rate, but then actually broke out your brokerage statement and noticed that you're earning 0.0002%. In other words, you're being taken to the cleaners. Brad Williams, Frugal Finance. Thanks for watching. Hope that helps. See you soon.